Njenomo wakili Danson Omari nkana anonya mira nombiarire e functionary go chakoba ya judiciary kitariki 15 mutinyo gocha e korwa open day ase abagambye bina bakoro kujo aba kijaji ne magistrate asaba ndori bako prosecute bina bakoro kuki ki prosecutor asaba skari bali bako investigate bina bakoro ku investigators na asaba wakili bali bako bambe bina bakoba na asaba skari bali bakoro ku prison officers bako chikoba all stakeholders wege into kuna the court justice system litukeri emetenejensi mekwembonga lakini ege tokere muhimu nogo cha koeresa abantu baitu abagusi ki judiciary yego koregas konfano ekero kwago seiru nkyo wente gokora yo wente kogenda se police oye weobi ori ke statement ore taba shahidi ori ke statement e file yeriro egenda se DPP omo DPP arigerie file yeri approve abaskari babwato omuntu bamoyire court ekera irirwe court na kyo muntu uri agosoerwa ekera soereirwe onye no omoyiri osoerwa usenaye eko ore omoyiri wo muntu agosoerwa gose naye wati ngaki proceedings chikogenda okorie pli egentongere goru ku bail na bond ngaki gego sab ekero ko igogoteguna leta bond ya nechi surety bond ya 2 million bond ninki bail ninki etafauti ina litoko cha koeresana bond ne gari no boremo ne nyumba elogbook ose title deed yore tesibwe court cash bail ne chibesa ekero muntu ya iguriru ngakie kina gegwanza ekina keri ngakiba kwanze nduke ko rukuna examination in chief keruho kegende cross examination keruho kegende kobe con defense omujaji ngakia komeke judgment ekerasi biru omuntu ori rights kia yenchireki ekerasi boiru rights kia yenchireki eyenere process totagete ko chigosomia abantu baito in the criminal justice system kabere ebi nabi abana abakungu abande babyaligo bana babo mbali kwa kanira school fees bana babo mbali ko gisukuru ingakyo monno ori otabwati kibesa omusacho ubya iso mwana ori no mali ingakyo monno ori akogende koti ataliko kogenda ase kibesa kimotange go defend yo mwana ori rights cho mwana ori ngakichiko enda pako mwana ori okore university igonto somia abantu igoro lyeri chiko ya children's act toru oto somia abantu igoro ya makweli ekero tato minakure obore mo bulikire lyetari yayi ngakyo gokora succession bantu ki bagwente gwati obore mo buri e process yeri netageta wakiri kiagera succession ki formu kiro okogenda ari judiciary yichori onye tubwati bese obore mo buri otachietyo bokorera succession richi kori gotebana e government ya Nyamira county obore mo buri etokena within 45 days muntu tayo borigiri omo attorney general probate and administration yobago chabayire ebintu biri bakaje ayebono okorebuo okagetena obuli mo buno bwatata ngogo cha kombori obuli mo buriri ki konye tokore succession omo eriyo ye nyaribo bosere simba ngoja koira bari obuli mo buri kiagera kuikokore succession amangana itonya erese toerese amangana environment ngakirichi kori goteba igoro y'abantu basimegete emiringamu angena ruki ngaki environment ego chikorindwa toruo tokore tokoeresa abantu amangane chipigipigi traffic abantu babune kire baito chipigipigi chabunira abantu inkirichi kori goteba igoro yokobeka helmet inkirichi kori goteba igoro y'abantu mbarenga epigipigi ekobogori igori tukeri aba wakiri tuwabangire morocha abandi bara aba wakiri 200 bakuru Nyamira bagocha koba kosomia abantu for free ebi kiti bicheito kyagusi chire dicheito kyagusi kyonsi pi twakirangeiri chiche kisomia abantu naende omwelio chikoti kya change chikoti kare kwari goche koti manga kuikoche lazima ogende keroka lero ekoti gere simu yao egento gekuru kwe virtual ngakie virtual court ya koregas elinda ye koro mushahidi yogenda te ko tori cha yao ne koti ore igoto rigocha kwanga ko che koti na timbu ativesa nkuruira nyamaya go che koti aine bandu roko okata ntumere bandu ishiringisa to inso e koti iyo e koti yabe ire rais ebintu nebinge lasimoge ndi koti elindo binyore so inere gento toko chikokora litukerio I'll be leading the team yaba wakiri abagusi mwenzi p litukerio bali bare Nairobi bali bare America TV chetu ne chire stations they'll be live ukave gentekyo motegerere naende mosomi abana baitu dichiko bono yaikire kire gento gegokoru goikoetere a judicial process igona kekyo. We have courts in Nyamira here, we have courts in Keroka. So how will my people, our people of the county benefit? That will be the first thing. Number two, there is now a virtual court. You don't need to come to Nyamira physical court. You can do your court when you are plucking your teeth. The benefits of the virtual or digital courts. Our must learn that. Third issue is the question that as sons and daughters, as advocates of this county, I will mobilize all advocates who hail from this region to be present on that day so that we give back to the community. We teach our people the basics of the law. We teach our people how to have what is called alternative dispute resolution, ADR. We do not want to have a county that is litigious. The cost of litigation is very high. So among the issues that we will be coming as advocates, because I've organized more than 200 advocates from Nyamira County who will be present so that we give back to the community. Three, we shall have a whole group of the stakeholders in the judicial process. We'll have the judiciary represented by judges, represented by magistrates. We'll have the DPP, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, because that is the person who represents them. We will also have the police, the investigators come in and explain to the people the process of investigation. We'll also have the doctors coming in to help explain when a child has been defiled, when there is incest. How do we preserve the evidence? Because very many of cases of defilement are collapsing because they were, after the incident, the parents will tell the young girl, wash clothes, and that is evidence. So we'll have the advocates also present helping this. So together, we have come without asking fees. All the lawyers will give free service to give to the people what is. And lastly, the media, the fourth estate will be present to tell the public what is happening. So I congratulate the judge, the presiding judge, and the whole judiciary for agreeing that we need to take the courts to the people. The people should not be coming to the court. We should be taking the court to the people, and that is the right of access to justice.